Hey family, hey family. This is simply just welcome back. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to show you guys how I'm going to resolve the solution myself. Yes, I am going to change the batteries up here that keeps beeping. So the title for this video is Section 8 Tenant is Repairing Her Own Home. Let's get into it, family. I had to stand on my washing machine to take the battery out the smoke detector. So yes, that's what I'm doing right now, guys. Oh. I gotta see what type of battery. I'm on my dryer, trying to change battery. Remove the AC quick connection and open the access door. So family, I don't even know. I'm standing on my dryer trying to change this. But it's saying if I open it, it's a shock hazard. So this runs by electric and battery. Okay. So once again, Section 8 tenant doing the work and repairs. I don't mind doing repairs. I don't mind changing the smoke detector battery. It's not that serious. It's really not that serious. But if I'm paying my money, I expect the landlord to do this. Right now, I'm standing on my dryer because I didn't have a ladder. I'm standing on my dryer, y'all. I'm trying to change this, but I'm a little scared because it says something about a hazard. So it runs through electric and battery. I'm confused. So I don't know what else to do, but I'm tired of hearing this beeping, and I want us to buy batteries. I want to see what type of battery it takes so I can change it. So I'm trying my best to repair, get a battery. It only costs a couple dollars. That's what somebody said in the comments. But I'm showing y'all what I'm about. Yes. So I'm trying to do it myself, as you can see. But I'm gonna see if I can show y'all this cord up here. I don't know how to take it down. I'm kind of scared. I don't want to get shocked. So I'm trying my best, y'all. Let me get down before I fall, though. So I'm trying to remake the pairs on my own. Here, Jules. My son about to, ooh.
Hey y'all, hey YouTube, how y'all doing?
Here, son.
It's your boy Jules.
Hold that until I get down. Show them the dryer I'm standing on. Yeah. I'm standing on the dryer trying to repair my place. Trying to repair my place. Because I got a lazy Section 8 landlord that can't come over here to repair it. So yeah, this is how I'm getting down. So, I just had to come on here, family, and show y'all that I'm trying to repair things on my own. The landlord should be doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? Not me. Not me. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I was just coming on here to show y'all that I'm trying to repair this myself. Trying to repair things. Resolve the solution. The solution is never going to get resolved. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of hearing this beeping. That's the only reason why I want to change this battery. Because of this beeping sound. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on so you know I come back with another what? Video.